Forno Appliances introduces you to the model 1844 36-inch side-by-side refrigerator. Sleek white finish doors with optional stainless steel handles offer a customizable touch of sophistication. Durable professional door handles provide a stylish and customizable option and blend into many kitchen designs. The fridge capacity is of 13.48 cubic feet. Comes equipped with 3 adjustable glass shelves. There are 4 door storage bins, which provides you with ample room to store condiments. There are 2 convenient see-through drawer bins in the fresh food area. The drawers are also removable. Interior is illuminated with LED light. The freezer capacity is of 6.53 cubic feet. The freezer is equipped with 2 spill-proof glass shelves, 2 storage drawers, and 2 side door shelves. This model is equipped with a cool water dispenser at a touch of a screen. Produces 4 pounds of ice daily. Both solid ice cubes and crushed ice can be made using the ice maker. Offers you an extra touch of elegance with 2 sets of antique brass and stainless steel handles to help complement most kitchens. Also includes a pre-installed water filter. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, lowering the cost of living.